Hello, pretty girl. Hey, I was in there and I saw you. And when I saw you, I was so amazed. Yeah, I was so amazed I'd have to come out.
Okay.
Oh yeah, what's your name?
I'm Keel.
Keels? I'm Kirkland.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. I love your eyes. Your eyes are so beautiful.
Thank you.
I love your hair. Who did it?
Sorry, gentlemen.
My friend.
Your friend? Your friend can do mine too. Wow. How old are you, woman?
26.
Wow. I'm 20.
You're a baby.
Me not care. I love big woman.
That's nice.
Oh yeah.
Kelly, you want that?
What?
Oh! Charge it.
Woman, I'm still now. Where your background? Yeah, what?
I'm Ghanaian.
Yeah, I'm Jamaican. Grenadian girl. Grenadian girl. I love Grenadian. No, you look like a real Grenadian.
I am.
Woman, you're nice. You know, me not like you have me. You want me retirement?
You said what?
You want me retirement?
No, I'm good.
Yeah, you're so beautiful. You're so flawless.
Thank you.
Wow. And your friend too. Hey, my friend say hi.
My friend is gay.
Your friend gay?
Yeah.
We gay too.
Wow, that's fire.
No, 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 no.